Hey everybody, Omar Lagudali again, Realtor with Home Group, and welcome back to Nashville Live Open House Show. Today I'm back with a really nice treat for you. It's a nice modern home in the center of Metro Nashville. It is a great location in a very fast growing area called City Heights. It is minutes away from West End, from Centennial Park, from Midtown, from downtown, minutes away from TSU, Fisk, and Meharry University, and right nearby Sylvan Park as well. So this home is very unique in that it has two master bedrooms, one in the bottom floor and one in the top floor. And the top floor has access, in the master bedroom in the top floor has access to the deck, which this house has two decks, one in the bottom floor and one in the top. So it's a double decker. Also, it is 2164 square feet, so it's a really good size. And I love this house because it has tall ceilings, tall doorways, and lots of windows. As I usually do, I'm going to start you from the outside and then work my way in and show you the back of it as well. And as you see, it is cold today, so I am freezing. One piece of information I forgot to tell you is that this house is listed for $429,990, 2164 square feet, and it is 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. So it is nice and big, and you're gonna love it. There from top to bottom, and you see the neighbors. You actually have two neighbors with the same or similar type of house. Here's the driveway that you can drive to the back, and it's an end unit, so that's nice. The type of home that are being built all around. That's the entryway there. But this is the fence around the back. All right, and that's all your windows from front to back. And then this is the fence. And there's your decks on the bottom and on top. And there's your 2-car garage. And as you see, it's an open 2-car garage, but the builder is flexible and will cover it if you would like to have it covered. So that's an option there. So far, see how it's... All right, so here we go in the entryway. All right, so that's the doorway. And here, bottom floor, right here by the entrance. And that's what it looks like there. And you enter here. And there is nice cool windows, which bring in a lot of light. And then you got the full bath. Your bathroom all the way up. As you see, it's tall. Cool tile, very nice. And you come here, and that's the door to the outside. And this is, see these tall doors? So you got a very cool, and that's the bathroom. And then there's another closet here. Look at that. Very nice. So here's the whole room from this front corner with the closets. All right, and then I'm going to turn around and give you the whole room from the door. Okay, now if we go outside here, you would see you have like a little stairway to the side and the back, which you can enter. See that little door? It gets you to the back, which you can get to the deck. And this would go to the front. And your neighbor, yay. So from this door I just came outside from, you would see the rest of the room. All right, and then we're gonna go outside here. And that takes us to the hallway. So here we go to the hallway, and then right here before you get to the stairs, and here is the towel closet. Okay. And you go to the bathroom. The bathroom is the hallway. All right. See those windows? That brings in a lot of light, which is cool. So that's the doorway. And this is back to the, here we got the stairwell, and then we got the kitchen. So it's a gourmet kitchen with a nice big island, and then a nice big open concept living room. Nice chandeliers there, and look at these cool lamps above the island. That's a cool feature. And then you go back here, and you got an electric fireplace thingy-majiggy. And then you've got to the deck. Now, normally I'll go out there, but it is so cold. And there's all the windows from this back corner that you see there. And then from this corner, nice two big windows, and the windows in the back. And then your kitchen, voila. Now let's see that pantry in the back. And look at that backsplash, isn't that cool? That's actually see-through, I think. So this is the pantry. Nice, good size. All right. So there you have it. Now look at this, before I go all the way up, look at this cool feature. See those lights? Look at that, that's kind of neat. That was a good idea from the builder to light up your steps as you go upstairs, especially if it's at night. Maybe you want to leave them on at night while you sleep. I don't know. So here is the left, and then here is the right. So that goes to the master bath in the back of the house, which has access to the deck right there where my finger is. But we'll go to the front first, leave the best for last. So this leads you to a bedroom right here. All right. And then you have Jack and Jill bathroom, which both this room and the next room over in the front have access to. So there it is. Ta-da! Nice tile. And look at that nice tile in the shower and tub. Okay. And then, all right, let's go back into this room, and you see the nice tall windows. I love it. Love it. Windows. Tall doorway. That is a tall doorway. It's almost hitting the ceiling. Crazy. Oh, and then right here you got access to the attic. Cool. Look at that closet. Tall doorway. And look at all the space in this closet. Isn't that crazy? Love big closets. Mine is going to be huge one day. So here we go back out to the doorway, which leads to the back bedroom. So see, you have a caddy corner here, and then you come in, and boom, look at that view. And the windows, it's so cool that they did like two different type of windows right next to each other. And it's a vaulted ceiling, which is very neat. And look at that modern lamp there. And a tall doorway to the bathroom, which is awesome. That's the bathroom you saw. That's the other bedroom there. And then this is the closet. which is a nice size. Nice and tall. Look at that. Pretty wide there, which is nice. So there you have it. Closet, windows. I'm gonna let you see it from the corner here. All right. To the door, and then the bathroom. So there's from this corner to the entrance. And I'm going to back out here one last time so you can see. Very nice. And so we're out of that bedroom. Here's the next bedroom, and now back to the master bedroom. Here we go. Down we go. Now we go back up. And right here, you have the washer and dryer. Which is a nice, good size, and it's got tile in there. Right here is the AC unit, I believe. And that goes to the master bedroom, I mean. All right, look at that view. Look at those windows, and then you got windows on the side here. Look at this. Crazy. Nothing crazy. Crazy for windows. I'm crazy. Okay, look at that. Look at the view. Love it. Look at that. You can see somewhat of a skyline. All right, and there's your 2-car garage down there. All right, and then here is the rest of the room. There's your doorway, and that leads us to the, oh wait, ceiling fan. Look at the ceiling, it's kind of neat size, or neat shape. And then the ceiling fan, and then the best master bathroom and closet. Look at that, guys. This is very nice tile. Look at that shower. There's the counters, the mirror, and then look at this. You can open this, see? And there you go. Nice big window. And then there's a window on both inside the shower and outside the shower. And then here is a closet when you come in, but that's not the only closet. Now check the size of that closet. That is cool. Goes in there and goes there. Then you got the full, well, you got the toilet area, or toilet room, I should say. Nice and tall tile, and then you go into the master closet. Look at this amazing size closet. Dun dun. Da-da-da. 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 Oh my goodness. Craziness. Lots of shelf space. Lots of room. This is from the far corner, looking to the door. And you come back to the door, to the bedroom, and there you have it. That is the whole house. Now notice, I haven't said anything, but notice this hardwood floors. I love this color hardwood floor, and it's all over the house, except for when you have tile, which is in the bathrooms, and then everything else is, and you have tile there, but everything else is hardwood. Love it.
Bueno, eso es todo por hoy. Por favor, compartan mi video, y si desean emplearme como su realtor, ya saben dónde alcanzarme. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching again. Please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. And if you'd like to hire me as your realtor, or you'd like to hire me to videotape any of your listings, you know where to find me. I'll see you next time at the next Nashville Live Open House Show.